Well, this very stylized china mug in a sort of tulip flower shape of design. It's called Nasturtium. It's from the St Michael range of bone china, microwave and dishwasher proof, made in the UK. Got a patent reference number 2876. Was sold through Marks and Spencer's, which is a department store in the United Kingdom, and they had their own homeware range. Nice bit of detailing in the actual body of the mug. Quite a marked flared rim design, arch handle, nice big handle, takes 3 fingers and well marked, as you can see, in perfect condition. These were sold in relatively large volumes, and there's a replacement market as opposed to a collector's market for these pieces. Not got any real age to it, probably 21st century, maybe 20th. I'm not sure on the production period. There's no data on when these were actually produced, but it's no longer available, so it is something that people are looking to replace. And we've got a very nice one here. It's just the one, unfortunately, no big sets. But if you're looking for a replacement Nasturtium, Marks and Spencer's or St Michael bone china coffee or tea mug, then this one might meet your requirements. Available on the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.